Hi there! In this video, we're going to discuss what's happening on Black Friday and what should you expect as an advertiser. You will notice that Black Friday isn't actually one day, it's kinda a season. You will notice changes in your advertising campaigns through all the October and until the end of the year, because from Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we are going to Christmas season and so on. So what's actually happening with your campaigns? You will notice that your CPM will rise for all the targeting audiences, like on every single platform that you're using. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you name it. You will see, increase in CPM drastically for every audience. Because competition is rising, everybody investing even more money than before. These are actually 2 months of huge spends on social media, on Google, or every platform where you can actually promote something. So you will see CPM rising. You will see that you're getting less results, and it's not because people on holidays, it's because more competitors are advertising and spending more. Your CTR will go down because your audience will receive different, more attractive ads because everybody is customizing their ads for Black Friday with all these bright colors, red and black and amazing images. So why should they actually click on your ad if they are offered something else? Discounts, free stuff, and sense of urgency into buying different things they don't really need on Black Friday. Relax, don't panic, it's alright, it's just a season, it doesn't mean that your advertising sucks, but you obviously can improve it. You know, there is a saying, if you can't beat them, join them. You can always raise your bid to make sure that you are at the same level with your competitors. And I would recommend to actually refresh your creatives. Even if your offer is totally the same, you can use bright colors, you can use bigger font to make sure that people are actually seeing your ads, through all of this Black Friday noise. So just make sure you are standing out more, and refreshing your creatives, I think it's the best thing you can do if you've been running for a while now. Refreshing your creatives is always good. That should help you out a little bit, but if you're still not getting such an awesome result that you got before October, be patient. You will be back on your horse in January.